Okay, Getty, another recipe that you have requested. And I am always here to deliver. This one is so yumptious, guys. You are going to love it. Now, if you are new to my channel and you're watching me cooking up this recipe for the very first time, make sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already subscribed, be sure to do so. Turn on that post notification goodie so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Now, come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Honey glazed pineapple chicken in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. And I am going to walk you through this, guys. Looky at that. That is supersonic delish. I kid you not. Now I have my chicken there that has been nicely washed. Guys, you want to make sure when you're cooking chicken, you want to make sure your chicken is washed nice and clean, thoroughly, me I talk about, right? I always wash my chicken with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. Add some cold water to it, let it sit in that cold water for 30 minutes, and then you wash it off like 2 times before you cook it. And make sure that your hands are super clean when you're handling any kind of poultry, meat in general. You want to make sure that your hands are nice and clean. Now, to season up your chicken, you're going to need Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, salt, and black pepper, paprika. Okay, those are the seasons that you're going to need, and all the amount listed for this recipe will be listed down below. Now, y'all, the very first thing you want to do is make sure to pat dry your chicken. You want to make sure you get all the extra water off of it, right? Make sure so you do that. That way when you put your seasoning on, that seasoning will stick to the chicken. Now you want to go and just get all that spices that you made up earlier and just get it all over that chicken. And you want to make sure that you do both sides of your chicken thoroughly. Now, y'all, what I did with the chicken, because that's what you wanted me to make. You wanted me to make a whole chicken. So what I did, I opened the chicken from the back. I didn't open from the breast, I opened from the back, okay? And just give it a slit all the way down. And yeah, that's how I had this chicken done. Just kind of just pat, don't rub, just pat the seasoning down into the chicken, just like that. Now, I'm gonna cover this up for about 30 minutes. And then I'll be ready to move on to my next step. Okay, Getty, it's been 30 minutes and I have my oil in that pot. My chicken is the way that I want it to be, nicely marinated, right? When you put your chicken in, you want to put it inside down. We are going to allow that chicken to fry nice and crispy on that side. We're going to flip it on the other side and get that nice and juicy, and they're all going to clash right in the middle. That's what we're looking for right there. So you want to make sure your stove is on like medium to high heat. Now let me walk you through the other ingredients that you're going to need to make a glaze and to finish up your chicken, right? Gonna need some ketchup right here. Ketchup, of course. You're also gonna need some chicken broth right there. Soy sauce, for sure. Honey, definitely. I love vinegar, so I never cook without that. You're also going to need your pineapple. I have pineapple chunks right there. Garlic and green seasoning. Now, that is the green seasoning that I made at home. I'm going to put a link in the description box so you'll see how to make your green seasoning, right? And remember, all the amount for the recipe will be listed down below. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn that chicken on the other side. We want to make sure that it's a nice golden brown. Now, when I get to this step, after I turn the chicken, I'm going to add my garlic to the mix. And I'm going to add my green seasoning to it. Just want to get that green seasoning and that garlic on that chicken, like that. Now while that chicken is going, we're going to go ahead and get our glaze ready. Now to get the glaze going is really simple. There is absolutely no measurement to this, right? Now to get the glaze going, it's really simple, right? We're going to add some chicken broth to the mix to get it started. Then we add some ketchup. We add our soy sauce. We add in our honey. And that honey is going to kick it up to a different kind of level. Of course, I'm adding some vinegar. I just kind of whisk this around. To that, I'm going to add the pineapples in because I want the pineapple to start blending and combining and be happy with all the other flavors in there. So we add those pineapple in. I will give this about 5 minutes right here because we're going to finish it up with the chicken. Now y'all, after about 20 minutes of cooking, so that's 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side on medium heat. Don't put it on high heat, put it on medium heat. Because you want to get it that nice golden brown color as if you put it inside of the oven. Is what I'm talking about. And goodie, may I tell you, all the seasonings from the green season that I made, this thing smells so good. I kid you not. You could eat it even just like that, but no, we're going to take it to the next level. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and throw that extra oil off the chicken, and then we'll get this finished up. Now y'all, that glaze is looking mighty fine, I might say right there. You don't want to cook it any longer than that, right? So I'll say that's been bubbling for 5 minutes. You're going to finish it up on top of the chicken. So now we pour that all over that chicken, just like so. Now y'all, you see that glaze right there? It's all soaked through to that pineapple. Now you want to turn that fire down now. You're going to turn it on low heat, very low heat, because that glaze is going to thicken up. Let me bring it closer so you'll see. See that? That's what I'm talking about right here. That glaze right there, that is the best part. See how nice and thick and rich that is? That has soaked right into the pineapple. So I want that to like soak right into the meat, like to the bone, what I'm talking about right here. Perfect. That is perfect, y'all. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. And with that pineapple, it just took it to another turn. Yummy, deliciousness. That is perfect, y'all. Perfect. Another 5 minutes right there. Oh, and that's good. Look at that gravy, y'all. Look at that gravy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There you have it, y'all. I'm all done right there. Honey garlic glazed pineapple chicken in your kitchen. Delish. Just as you guys requested, and I am always here to deliver. Now, share the love with your friends and your family, whoever you wish to share it with, right? Even a stranger. Yes, goody. Tell me what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.